Welcome people, thanks for following back to the Patwa News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now, first of all, before running on the news, also big up everybody, wish everybody a happy new year and them thing there, you know. I know January kind of start and at the middle of January there now, but you know, I have to big up same way, because people out there ask you, oh, Patwa News, oh, no gone. When you know from Patwa News in a while and he was not read, blah, 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 blah. Now, because of Jamaica, I feel like sending news at Japan out of the year. Yeah, but probably only pan news at Jamaica. Every day something going on. Jamaica very active. The most active place in the world. Jamaica is not a real place. So we know some news always around, but Patwa News now try getting the news first. We are trying getting the best news possible. You see me? Because last week I say, yo, I go watch some news and things on the other network. I'm not lie. It's a nice like bedtime story me get. Low on sleep. Low on yawning. Low on sleep people. So I try to make you know say your Patwa News Network are getting the news the best. We not try getting it first. Yeah, people. So next thing before we go in the news, you know, because we have to sort out some little house matters, you know. Because some people make some talk from last year. Say Patwa News Network and they can't give an anchor something for wear. Every week the man come in at the same jacket, blah blah blah, lulale. Mind in the business. You're too fast. How long on the face ugly? Nobody has said nothing about it. How long on the breath stink? Only know so if you buy a Colgate and toothbrush and fix it. Take the cavity out and about the phone, take the speck out of my eye. Call it a uniform. That help? So yeah people, thanks for following back to the Patwa News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Now over the next couple of weeks, what we are going to do in a Patwa News is that we are going to do some year in a review. 2020 we are review the entire year. Yeah man. Because I'll be here sitting going last year, you know. And as a news network, we have a duty to make you know what go down. For remind you know. For remind you know what go down in the last year. So we're going to start with the month of January. So yeah people, in January, what really go down now is that producer, I don't see nothing on the paper. I want to give me about January. And may I wait to see something on the teleprompter, but I don't see nothing about January. Sorry about that people, just I try, yeah, bump to January news. Bump to January news. Yeah people, not never going to January. Yeah man, not never really going. Not never going to January at all. I know not only make some New Year's resolution though, but who are going to lose weight, from who are going to pan diet, from who are going to stop take people man, from who are going to buy a car, from who are going to buy a house, from who are going to win gold Olympics, from who are going to jump a carnival. As them say, man a plan, God a wipe. Not never really going to January people, not significant to us. Especially when we're going in the rest of the year, not never going to January people. So we're going to move on to February. Yeah. Yeah people, we're talking about February now. I'm sure there's something going on in February. We can almost guarantee you that things going on in February. Just wait for the producer to tell producer. You can't tell me say nothing. Sorry, you can't tell me say nothing going on in February, Papa. No, but it's a year in a review we are doing. It's the whole year. No, but people them there I want to see what go on for the news in February last year. You tell me say nothing go down? No. Sorry about that people. Yeah, so apparently we're not for February either. Not never go on in February 2020. Well apart from the fact that a prince was born in that month. Yeah. That's very significant. I'm making a note so that it's very significant people. Looking at me, very significant people. It is very significant. But yeah, not never going to February. Apart from the fact say it was Black History Month, you know, that's significant. Say Black History Month, big up all the black people them, you don't know. And the fact say me the ban in the month of February, not never really gone. But we kind of find out the month they still say China get locked out by a whole heap of country. And Jamaicans they don't know what go on when they find out about this COVID-19 thing. But if I want to think about a yard man and a yard woman, you see if you know bother we not bother it. We not pay no mind until it reach our yard, we not say nothing about it. So not really going in February to be honest. And we're gonna move to the next month. And that's now the trouble start. But now if you tune in our next news to find out what really got on in the month of March. Big up on yourself. Thanks for far back to the Patwa News Network. You don't know. Yes, a producer. We're not ads. News are done so. No, the news just can't just done so. We not make no money as a network. We have to run a couple ads on it. You know what I'm man? We have to find some sponsors, you know. We have to find some sponsors, you know. A long time for left to work, you know, and I give me a headache, you know. Because I cut man paying him something there, you know, because of, 10 grand? For do what? But producer, this is not greeting across. We're kind of big up. We're not big on nobody on the station. And news are real, you know. No, but we can't. Oh, 20. Just a big up Rigsy. Big up yourself, Rigsy, on your birthday. You don't know. Patwa News Network, big you up, youth. We don't know, say you're a supporter from a long time. You're the real man, the real G. You see me? Big up yourself, brother. We'll have to fall back and make you know, say, yo, you're the real Jenna. Big up yourself on your birthday. Patwa News said that. You don't know.